Hey guys, so in this video I'll be talking about how to create reports and dashboard in Power BI desktop. As in the previous video I already mentioned, Power BI supports more than 70 data sources. So here you can see all the data sources. Under the file you have Excel, XML, JSON, and there's one for database as well. You can connect to SQL Server, Oracle database, IBM, MySQL, and you can also connect to Power Platforms as well. Moreover, we have Azure. So the process of connecting to the data source is quite simple and straightforward. You just need to add your URL and some keys, and then you can get started with it. Today I'll be working with one Excel file, so I'll select Excel and connect. It's just a financial sample. So here I select the sample, and one thing is that you can transform the data in this stage as well, or you can just do that later. Once we load the data, on the right hand side you'll see a field where you get all the columns of your table. And on the left, you'll see your table where you can add new columns, and you can view the modeling of your data if there's any relationship between your tables. So before you even start creating your reports, it's really important to have some questions written up. I usually write up to 4 or 5 questions, and then I create a report on the basis of those questions. So first you need to look at the data, actual table, and see what are the questions that you can come up with, and what questions would create more value to your dashboard. So once you decide on your questions and you understand your table, then you can get started with the visuals. So these are the 4 questions that I came up, and now I'll create visuals trying to answer these questions. Now that you have your visuals ready, you can publish it. But before doing that, you need to save your document. And then just log into Power BI service. There you can see your dashboard, and it's fully interactive as well. So you can add filters while you're doing this. And you can save it, you can print it, You can export it as a PowerPoint, PDF, or you can just analyze it in Excel. Here you have the option to embed it in your website or publish to web, or you can also generate a QR code out of it. So this is how you can create a beautiful report out of your data and share it as well. See you in the next video.